Hello everyone, myself Pooja.
Hi, this is Rahul.
I am a decor enthusiast, a content creator, a stay at home mom, and a soul blessed beyond measures.
I work as a software engineer.
Welcome to our Chirpy Abode. So when we bought this home, the name of the home was kept by my husband. It was named Matrichaya. So I strongly believe that really our home is being blessed by two mothers. One of them is Goddess Durgama and the second one is my mother-in-law whose soul is resting in heaven. And I really feel that no other name could have been kept better than this. This is the apt name for our chirpy abode, that is Matrichaya. This is the common area of the home, like this is being used by the whole society's people. But this is my entrance, so I have started decorating my home from here only because I strongly believe that the entrance of your home, invites a lot of energy, and if it is kept in a positive way, it surely attracts positive energy. And this is the entrance. The green color of the door was because of the Vastu. I strongly believe in Vastu. So it was also a trick to decide the decent color of green shade. So we went ahead with this after an intense search, and then we got a lot of compliments from our friends and family that your door looks very nice. So welcome to my chirpy abode. So the home starts with this huge hall which is divided into the living area as well as the dining area. And I would like to say that the main attraction of our home decor is this fireplace. I still remember when the interior decorators of our home, Suman Raizada and Saurabh Raizada, they invited us to their home one fine day before starting the project, and she just showed us this design for the very first time, and I and my husband were quite aligned with this. We loved this idea of having a fireplace in your home, and have the vibe of that countryside and European Victorian era. It transports you to that era. This area you are finding here, it has a beautiful window, and the wall plates which you see over here were hand painted by me. It is the decoupage art that I have done all over here on the wall plates. And so this area has brought us a lot of compliments from our friends that it gives the vibe of hanging around in a cafe or Victorian side. So it feels good, obviously, to get such compliments when your decor gets appreciated by your friends and family. This chair was belongs to one of my friends, and she was about to discard it because it turned quite old. The seat was turned old and it had a dark coffee color which also got worn out, So at that time she asked me that, Pooja, would you like to preserve it and paint it? So I said, why not, because I love to preserve the old furniture and convert it into a new one. So I just hand painted it and got the whole new seat and got the new look to it. The aesthetic of our home decor, I would say, is quite decent, full of arts. Few of them have been made by me and few of them are ready-made. So in that way, the decor aesthetic is quite decent and transports you to Victorian era. the universe blessed my home more chirpy, more chirpiness, more blessings were showered by universe, and we were blessed with twins. So I feel that law of attraction works every moment, and your subconscious mind, the symbols, the signs that you have in your home really work and do wonders. So this is a small dining area of our home. The dining area has a lot of love, lot of emotions, go there. We love to entertain our family and friends. They do come, and a lot of good food, good mood get created over here. And I would like to speak a little bit about this piece of furniture also. This was also a dull, drab chest of drawers. It had coffee color and it had little bit scratches all around. It got turned old, and during the COVID time I just tried my hands first time on furniture makeover, and this piece is very close to my heart because this was the first piece. So let's go to my kitchen, but before that I would like to show you this cluster of wall plates which I have hanged all over here. These are blue pottery wall plates because we belong to Jaipur, so we wanted to bring Jaipur aroma also into our decor. This is my kitchen, the heart of a home, and what I believe that kitchens must not be boring and must not be only practical with stuff with practical things. It can also be having like art, colors, and I had a few of the magnets that we got from our travels as a souvenir. I would like to show you over here this part also. Like this has a sweet bar because I and my husband, we both love tea and coffee. So my husband wants every morning his black coffee, and sometimes we enjoy chai, and so all these things. So I created over here by having a little bit art. That is again a DIY by myself, and what I did, like a small kettle was decoupage painted by me. So I'm taking you now towards the alley or the passage that connects the whole home to all the rooms, different rooms. So about alley, once we decided that all the flooring has to be changed because the old flooring got quite worn out, So when we decided it, I was quite sure that I wanted something, the flooring must be something which comes out, as a signature thing, So I asked my interior designer to please have something like that. After an intense search, thank God that we could have our such beautiful flooring, and that got fixed over here. And I think that the alley, the corridor got a lot of drama, a lot of character after that, and it, somehow it uplifted the decor in one way. So now I'll take you toward the guest room. Although I would say that this room has lot of this room serves many purposes. This has a sofa cum bed. Whenever guests do arrive over here, we just pull it out and it serves as a bed. And the second thing, it works as a workstation for my husband as his study room. I would like to speak now a little bit about this piece of art. This was a old sandook trunk which was received by my mom in her wedding trousseau. So I asked my mom to please give it to me. So it is quite like 40 years or something, like more than 45 years old, and the thing that you are getting to see over here is the second. So there is another layer beneath it. So after some time I got bored out of that, so I created this one. The most important, the most divine part of our home, the temple, the mandir of our home, is all here. So when we open it, there is a carving on a stone that is a Korean stone. So when we turn the light on, we feel the magic, as if the goddess Durga has just come out of the painting and is blessing us. So it's all about that vibe, it's all about that aura which gets created. So once we had this temple, I and my husband really had got emotional. And in the opposite side, the wall was there, and after a long contemplation, I decided that I will go ahead with our family photographs, because I truly believe that our family is being blessed by goddess. So I think this made a very good combination, that goddess Durga is blessing our family, giving us a good times all out there. So welcome to my daughter's room, this one. So over here we opted for a light pastel green shade on the walls, and this was one of the few of the shelves. So over here these dolls were brought by my husband from his USA trip. So such small things were there which she really preserves and loves, and she keeps decorating them in a different way every now and then. And this small study area, decent area, study area was created, and it really works well with in terms of keeping her stationery stuff, art supplies, and many of the things, So what I feel, that if you have good storage, then your home automatically becomes quite well organized and doesn't look mess all the time. And I would like to speak a little bit about these DIYs. These are embroidery hoops which I just ordered, and few of them had been the t-shirts of my daughter, and when she outgrew them, so instead of dumping them, I just preserved them and made a beautiful wall art piece. And her friends, she herself loves this area, and we keep doing some changes here and there also after some time also. So now I take you towards the master bedroom. Come on, this is my bedroom where I spend most of my time, being a stay-at-home mommy right now. Kiddos need me, they hop around, they play around all this place, and that is why I have kept it quite minimal. Like whatever you find over there is beyond the reach of the kiddos. So that is why it could be feasible for us. Otherwise, they climb everywhere, they hop around, and I didn't want any risky things, So that is why you will find the side tables even are not having any lamps, side lamps or nothing is there. Instead of keeping a lamp, we just got the lamps fixed on the wall. And over here I would like to show you that I have created a family picture wall. A lot of family pictures are there, and over here on the same wall I have a blessed moment when they were just born, twins were born, and the foot cast, their hand cast were taken, and that got framed. And so whenever we have a look at all these pictures, the good times that we had, we really feel blessed, we really feel overwhelmed. And at times when you are feeling low, even these photographs do wonders and switch your mind from dullness to something positive. So now I'll show you this area. This is the vanity area. I am a person who loves to get dressed up, who loves to drape sarees and get dressed up in a proper way, in an organized way. So this area really, after a lot of brainstorming, we could create this small area because the builder gave this area to us in a very awkward way. So we created this, and a huge mirror over here works well, and this beautiful chest of drawers which was there again getting worn out, completely old, and I converted it also in a beautiful traditional look and I just, when it got fitted very nicely in this area, I was really overwhelmed because I really wanted my dressing area to be having little bit colors and well organized stuff. So but the fun part is that this chest of drawers is all empty right now. I had to shift my all makeup stuff, jewelry and everything to the higher shelves because of the kiddos roaming all around. So now I would like to speak about these 3 wall frames. I had them since our old home, and they had the dark brown frame, and I had painted them texture art on the canvas. I had tried my hands on, and at that time it had coffee color, brown colors frame. So when we made our decision that we wanted everything to be like as I told you, white frame, so we got the frame again done. It got reframed, in a way. But I feel that such small changes are such small efforts. If we invest, these are okay if we are able to preserve an old piece of art. That's nothing actually. So let me show you one of the most favorite part of our home, that is the backyard. The biggest reason that we made the deal done for this particular house, was this garden. It really stole our heart, and we could foresee that we could convert it into a heaven, of having a lot of lush greenery over here and everything. So God's blessing it is to have a own garden over here and in Delhi NCR, and I would like to show you that this was the main feature that we wanted to create, because this is something that you get to see the moment you enter the home. From the other part of the LA also, the entrance also, you get to see this part, and I really loved this statue which was selected by my interior designer at that time, and she found a lot of Indian beauty stuff like statues wearing Indian traditional clothes, lehenga and all these things, but that somehow didn't go well with our decor. So now I show you the beautiful sitting area that we have over here. We like to have our tea, morning tea over here, evening tea over here, and the kiddos roam and just play around over here. We have their toys also. They keep playing over there, and they like to see the birds chirping all around, the birds flying and everything. So it is one of the best moments of your day, when you have such family time, when you really enjoy that, and that too in the lap of nature. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see such more content, subscribe to LBB Homely newsletter.